Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Dominator. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Aarav. And today's video is super fun, super useful, and super powerful.
Exactly. Today we're learning. Describe your personality in English. 20 simple words.
Because let's be honest, sooner or later, someone will ask you, tell me about yourself. What kind of person are you?
And many students freeze at that moment.
So today, we'll fix that. By the end of this video, you'll confidently describe your personality in English, using simple words, real examples, and easy sentences.
Let's start with a quick story. Last week, one of our students, Ali, had an online interview.
The interviewer asked, how would you describe your personality?
Ali knew English, but his mind went blank.
He only said, I am good.
That's it. Just good.
So today, we're giving you better words. 20 powerful but simple personality words you can use in real life.
Let's begin with positive personality words. Repeat after me. Friendly. Someone who is kind and easy to talk to. Example, I am friendly with everyone.
Not, I am friendship. Say, I am friendly. Confident. You believe in yourself. Example, I feel confident when I speak English. Honest. You tell the truth. Example, I am honest in my work. Hard-working. You work seriously. Example, I am hard-working and focused. Helpful.
Serious. You focus on your goals. Example, I am serious about my career. Funny. You make people laugh. Example, my friends say I am funny. Only 5 more. Stay with us. Kind. You care about others. Example, I am kind to everyone. Patient. You can wait calmly. Example, I am patient with learners. Curious. You like learning new things. Example, I am curious about English. Simple. You like an easy lifestyle. Example, I live a simple life. Motivated. You feel driven to improve. Example, I am motivated to grow.
Now here's a magic formula. I am plus 2 to 3 personality words.
For example, I am friendly, hardworking, and motivated.
Or, I am calm, honest, and responsible.
I am confidence. I am confident. I am friendship. I am friendly.
Remember, use adjectives, not nouns.
Pause this video and say your sentence aloud.
Come on, practice right now.
See? Describing your personality in English is not hard.
You just need the right words and a little confidence.
If you enjoyed this lesson, hit the like button
Subscribe to English Dominator for daily English speaking practice.
and comment below. How would you describe your personality?
We read every comment.
See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep dominating English.